Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the bulb and immediately put it into its Bluetooth pairing mode with the manufacturer reset pattern. This forces the bulb to broadcast. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and grant location permissions because Bluetooth scanning uses location services. Without them, you may not see the device. Once the bulb is broadcasting, open Bluetooth settings and scan. You do this first to ensure the device advertises before any app tries to discover it, which prevents missed connections. You now select the bulb from the list. It often appears with the model name. If prompted, confirm the PIN 00001234 or a displayed code so the phone and bulb complete a secure link. This prevents accidental access by nearby devices. If the manufacturer app is required, install it and grant Bluetooth and local network permissions so the app can control advanced features. Make sure to keep the phone near the bulb during this step to avoid timeouts and pairing failures. You finish by naming the bulb in the app and testing basic controls. Turn on/off, dim, and change color to confirm successful connection. This verifies command latency and feature support. Next, check for and install any firmware updates to improve stability and security. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reset the bulb to pairing mode and toggle your phone Bluetooth off and on, then retry pairing. This clears stale states and usually resolves discovery or pairing conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.